Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bag on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve bag on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will enter to WhatsApp and you click. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.